Although Runpaq may appear to be a relatively new name in the market, its roots run deep. The company's origins can be traced back to the Shanghai Mechanical Research Institute of the Ministry of Electric Power, established in 1956. With this strong technical foundation, Runpaq's business scope has expanded into multiple fields, including energy-saving HVAC solutions for buildings, industrial and building automation, and renewable energy projects. Combining a solid historical background with a forward-looking drive, Runpaq stands out in HVAC system contracting and energy management, offering reliability and strength that are clear to see.